Alright, continuing right on. Let's go ahead and go to the front view. Create a box to connect this. Let's quick align it to this piece. Move it up. Let's get right up in here. Let's actually isolate these pieces. Get back in here with this guy. Move it up. Okay, let's go ahead and convert to edit poly. Let's go to the left view. This thing's gonna have to come back just a bit. There we go. Not very aerodynamic, but we're putting our little game piece in there, so that's it. I'm gonna scale these out, or of Z. I push the right button anyway. And let me do one of those poly guy, and let's just do an extrude. Okay. One other thing you can do if you want to make this look a little better, to put some bracket on there. Well, actually, we're just not even going to do that. So let's go ahead and go to the front view. And then we want to create some simple props. So let me go ahead and drag out a shape, or spline with the line tool. So what I want to do is just make a left view. I'm just going to do something like this. That's annoying. And let's drag it down like that. And then let's go like that. Close spline. Let's not do any of these. Let's right click. And go to your modify panel, put an extrude on it. Go back to your left view. Do a W, do a quick align to here. And let's drag it down like that. Okay. Let us drag this down. Do W. Let me go ahead and collapse this to an edit poly. Okay, now I'm in the front view. So let me go to effect pivot only. Hit F3. Let's just move it up towards the center. And let me let's do 4 of these. Total, so just 3 right there. Alright, hit F3. And let's go here and quickly attach these parts, and that should change the color. There we go. We'll leave that little bracket black. Alright. Now let's go back into the front view. We'll do 3 small rockets by dragging out some cylinders, like right. Sure. Go to the left view, see how we compare to this other guy. Definitely want to make it longer. Take the radius down just a bit. That up. Okay. This one's going to get an aerodynamic bevel. Surprised there's not a button for that yet. It probably is in new version of Max, but I don't have that. I'll change the color of this piece to that haze gray we kind of chose. Go here to bevel. Alright, now I'm going to Google missile on my other screen. Okay, so we'll give this one, go to the front view. Let's drag out 2 little boxes for wings. Let's go to my left view so I can kind of see this. Alright. So they're actually kind of right here and towards the top. And I'm just kind of grabbing random stuff that looks cool, so don't do whatever you want to do for this as well, obviously. Okay, let's go collapse that too. patch, or Control Z, Control Z, collapse to edit poly. 2, drag that back. Let's do a Control A, do a small chamfer on this piece, just why not? Okay. And let's actually mirror this as an instance on the other side, or we'll just drag it. I don't know what went on there. Mirror as an instance. There we go. Just guess it. And then on the back, oops, of this piece, let's bevel. Okay, and let's grab one of these guys, go to element here, do a shift drag over, clone to object, so now it's going to be its own object, so get out of your element mode and grab it, and let's go ahead and center it, center the pivot, so I can move this piece around. And let's rotate it so it goes in like that, top view, rotate it one more. Oop. You know what, that's good. Just take it and drag it in here. Let's mirror it as an instance. Okay. And let's do one up top too. Oops, so shift and then do it 90 degrees. I don't even know if that's right. Yeah, that looks right. Do a W, move it up to the top center. And let's mirror that. As an instance, and let's mirror it back to where it's supposed to be. Okay. One other thing that I saw in some of these that's really cool is they just put another cylinder. It's probably functional somehow, so we'll just do a couple of those. So let's just bring this way back here. And then I'm just going to drag the height way up. Where's that image I had? Oh yeah, so it went way up there. So height. Let's do that with this guy too. Just drag him back. Bring the height way up. Okay, let's steal this bracket. Shift drag it over as a copy, because we're going to have to edit it a little bit. Let's grab that piece and attach like crazy. Alright, that should be all of it. Oh, I missed one. Attach, click, right click, guide it up. Let's shift drag. Actually, let's go cancel. We're going to go all video game on this now. So, move it all up just a bit. Go to my front view. Yeah, I'll make this look really cool actually. So let me make sure this thing's got everything attached. It might not. Yeah, it does. So let's go ahead and we're not going to attach that. Let's exit isolation mode. Let me drag this here as an instance. Drag out an instance of this. Let me grab both of these again. Let's try doing 2. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh, it's going to be too far away. So as an instance, and let's do one more instance all the way to the edge. There we go. Alright, so now it looks kind of cool. We still have to attach a lot of this. Let's go ahead and do that. Put symmetry back on. So now the mistake that I made, just do a control, whatever. Dump that. We need to attach everything first, so that was my mistake. So everything that you want symmetry needs to be attached. So let's go ahead and attach this, 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 and let's right click to get out of there. And then what we want to do is just bind all these things. So bind you to there, bind you to there. So now they're binded. You have to deal with attaching them. See, so now when I move, actually gotta hit W first to get out of the binding. But now that stuff will go with it. Okay, so let me go back to my front view. And I noticed one thing is that these gotta get moved up. W. Okay.